stop worrying, 'cause you can't change things. 1,000 worries putting you to the test, spinning in circles, caught inside your head, planting seeds of doubt. But stop worrying now. But I can't change the things that are already done. The past is the past, the race has been run. So I lift my hands and release my fear. Give my worry to Jesus, He's always near.
I stumble and fall, I make mistakes, it's true, but grace is a river, ever flowing, ever new. I pick myself up, dust off my knees, with faith in my heart, carried on the breeze.
'Cause I can't change the things that are already done. The past is the past, the race has been run. So I lift my hands and release my fear. Give my worry to Jesus, He's always near.
He carries my burdens, He knows my pain. He'll whisper softly, you're not alone again.
His peace is a comfort, a shelter from the storm. He strengthens my spirit, keeps my heart warm. And I can't change the things that are already done. The past is the past,